How to add TSA Precheck on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can add TSA Precheck on Hawaii Airlines. So what do you do first? The first step is to enroll in TSA Precheck. And how do you enroll? You can enroll by going to your web browser, and it could be any web browser of your choice. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Safari, whichever one. And then in the search box, type out TSA Precheck and then search for it. And then after searching for it, the next thing to do is to complete the enrollment process. Just click on the option that you can see on the screen here, and then you can see the options: official website, TSA Precheck, etc, screening and all of that. And then you can see the option enroll here. All right, and you can see the fee needed. So just go ahead and click on apply now. And then once it has loaded, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to, complete the enrollment process and all of that. Just go ahead, select the one that you can afford here, and after selecting it, and you're taken to the page where you'll be asked to put in your fingerprint, documents, photo capture, and payment, and all of that. Ensure you carry out all of that, and then you wait for a while for your TSA pre-check number to be approved. Once it's approved, you would receive a known traveler number. So after receiving this no traveler number, the next thing that you have to do is to now go back to your Hawaii Airlines account by opening a new tab and typing out Hawaii Airlines. And then after typing out Hawaii Airlines, log in into your account. And then while making your orders, you will be asked to, or while booking for a flight, you will be asked to, if you want to make reservation on Hawaii Airlines, you'll be asked to enter in your known traveler number, also known as KTN. So just go ahead, the number that you have gotten from your TSA, just go ahead and then paste it in the selected box below. And then by doing so, you will enjoy expedited screening and save time during security checks at the airport. So this is basically how you can add TSA pre-check on Hawaii Airlines. Just enroll for this, get your TSA, go back to your Hawaii Airlines, and then while making reservation, paste it in there, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.